Hi guys, welcome back. I've come here to IKEA, Wembley in London. This is after the lockdown is open now. So everybody's out and I'm out as well. Come here to see what there is or what's left of the plants. These are all the fake plants. They're looking really nice. Moving along. These are candles and some glass vases and some hanging plants. That's £6. Looking very nice. Now forget the fake plants. This is what I'm really here for. Look at these. These are really big. And this is what it is. And how much does that cost? £22. Really good for the size. Here is a nice basket. Mosket, £8 to keep the plants in. Beautiful. They got quite a few of these, which is looking good. Nice and healthy. Really nice and healthy. If you like big house plants, these are the ones. Very nice. They got quite a lot actually. This is the Drusilla. The Drusina, £22 too. Beautiful. Very nice, green, fresh leaves. They've been well looked after here. Oh wow, look at this. This is amazing. This is really nice. Really, really nice. Wow. The way they kept it in shape. Ficus. Okay, this ficus is £75. Wow, the price is nice too. Big ficus. Very nice. Very nice. Impressed. Ah, this looks cute. With the branches all pattered into each other. £35. And this is called that. I'm not going to pronounce the names, guys. I might as well have not, save you guys all the trouble of listening to my pronunciations. This is nice too. And how much does this cost? Let's have a look. £22 too. For the price in IKEA, they have good plants. For these prices, I'm telling you, like, they did an amazing job. I think this is another ficus. This is a different kind of ficus, I think. Let's have a look. Yes, it is. Okay. And I cannot see the prices of this anywhere. Oh, it's hidden behind here. So, moving along. These are big plant pots, guys. I mean, I think I can get into one of those. They're £21, 25 pence. Okay. From £25, it's been reduced. Monster, guys. I found my plant. Beautiful. And this is really nice as well. It's all packed up, so you can't even see it properly. Calathea. These are really nice, big calatheas. This monster, it's all in packets, Okay, that's £15. Not bad, that's good. And the calathea is £9. Wow. Okay, guys, now moving along. We have some more plants. Wow, citrus, and it's actually grown one. This is so nice. Citrus lemon, okay. £25. Wow, that is nice. Okay, we've got some tomatoes here. They're in the wrong place. They shouldn't be with the citrus, I'm sure. But they're growing tomatoes too. No, that's a Sansevieria plant. That's not the tomato price. I'm sure we'll find the tomatoes somewhere else. Okay, more plants moving along. Oh, cactus. Wow, big cactuses. These are big, guys. If only you could see the size. If only you could see what I'm seeing. They are massive. Massive. This is cute. This is small. Okay, £45. I can imagine. For the size of them, yeah. Cost quite a bit. Okay, some more cactuses. Don't know if you can see them properly. It's not that clear. Okay, what's that? That's just there. There's two of them. Kept there randomly. What else do we have? This is where the tomatoes are supposed to be kept. Got quite a lot. If you're looking for a quick tomato plant without having to go through anything, it's here. Oh, these are pretty. Look at them. Very pretty. And those cost £7. Nice. Okay, £7.50 for these plants. Sorry guys, I'm not saying the names. I got one of those in my house. I'm not saying the names, but you can read them yourselves. They're very nice. Oh, my fingers are in the way. Okay, oh wow, that is cute. That is cute. Very cute. How much is that? £22. Good price. They got these flowers here. Let's have a look. Sorry guys, my fingers are in the way. People are in the way. They still got so many of these plants. It's quite good. They don't have a lot of variety, guys. I'm looking around and I can hardly... If this is all they got, this is not their full collection. I don't even think this is half of their collection. £7. Okay. More cactus. These are in smaller, way smaller boxes. These are tiny, 3 in a pack. Cute. Those flowering plants, beautiful, £6.50. Very nice. Okay guys, more flowering plants. £5. Philodendron, beautiful. And at the bottom here, these are the ones I got from my house, £2.50. Not the cactus, these ones, the smaller ones, that were £2.50. They're doing great. £2.50. These are really good. Moving along now. I also got these. They've grown even more at my place. Oh, this one's really big. I don't have one of those. These little ones are going to be as big as this. About 6 months or so. Should be as big as those. Smaller ones cost £3. And they come in different colours and shapes. Here's some succulents. Okay, they're already made in a bowl with different types. They look really nice as a display piece. Very nice. Got different kinds. These are the smaller ones. These are even smaller. Succulents. £2 for these ones. £3 for those. £9 for the ones we saw in the display piece. Okay, so the display ones were £9. These are nice. These feel very squidgy, very nice. So there's people everywhere, guys, so sometimes I'm having to move out the way. Okay, there's ivy there at the bottom. Oh, snake plants. Ivy and snake plants. Oh, that is nice. It's all in green, and this one's in yellow. It's the one that I had that my mum burnt, if you've watched my other YouTube videos. Succulents, £6. These are much larger. The ivy, £3. £6. Yeah. Here's some pots. I need a pot like this. I'll probably get one. I need it for my monster variegated monster plant. Put that in there. Oh, it's not going to stay there. Put it back. That doesn't even come off. Great. Gosh, I'll sort one out later. Someone left their basket here. These are not my stuff in there, by the way, guys. They got everything everywhere, so they don't even have these items that I'm showing you on the shelf. I think people just put some random items down. Okay, ficus. There's quite a few different ficuses around that I'm learning. £8 for this ficus. It's quite nice. It drops a lot of leaves, I can see. What's this? Another succulent? No, it's not. Okay. Okay, guys, some random look around. The one that I loved, the plant, this ficus. This ficus was what? £22. Getting a bit of space, guys. I'm going back to plants that I've missed out because of people being around. This is nice. This is really nice. I've not seen one of these before. How much is that? £8. They've got a lot more down here. £8. Guys, I can't get over these tomatoes. I keep coming back. Look at them. They look lovely. I'm trying to grow my own in my garden balcony. I've got one called Garden Balcony. Go and have a look at that if you haven't seen it yet. £8. Okay, so some more flowering plants over here in lovely pink and white colours. It's £6.50. The red flowering plants. Pink, purple, white. They've got it all going on here in IKEA. £4.50. That's really good. And these are nice. And the same ones here. Okay. See what's around here. Same thing going up. Okay, that's nice. Some more pots. Okay, guys. So here, just outside the plant section, in the corridor, around the corner, they've got some more cactuses in pots. If you're into cactuses, guys, this is the right place to come. They've got really nice stuff. Okay, bamboo shoots in water. They keep these in water. £1.50. That's good. Here's some ivy. £7.50. That's really good. These ivies are very, very big. They're really big ivies for £7.50. More cactuses. These are more medium-sized cactuses. £15. Okay. Got some more ivy. Ivy. And flowers. These flowers are £2.50. Oh, more cactus flowering ones, £5. Some more flower plants. They've got quite a few things out here. Looking good. Some more still, just going through some. Oh, look at this, Hoya, £7. And this is £8. Okay, that's £3.75. Got these plants and these. These are £4. More succulents. £9. Last but not least, guys, some of these plants, I've got one of these at home, £2.50. These are really pretty. I might get one, maybe not today, but I think I'll get one. £7. Very nice. These are nice as well. £6. Okay guys, we've come to the end now. These are the few things that I've picked up. This is my trolley. They didn't have what I wanted, what I really wanted, so hopefully next time I come they'll have it in stock. I'll video that too when I come. These are just a few bits and bobs. The queue is so long, guys, so long. I'll be here for about half an hour, 45 minutes at least. So, but these plants are worth the wait. But guys, like and subscribe, and thank you so much for coming. Bye.